Service Delivery Manager interview questions and answers with examples.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The work of a service delivery manager is to identify the client's needs and demands and look forward to the delivery of services in the business context. They have to make sure that the deliveries are done in a proper manner and the issues regarding the projects are solved on time. A full-time role is carried out in many companies and industries. Another responsibility they take is the management of teams and checking the work of the stakeholders in the service delivery department. Candidates who have expertise in the field of customer service are perfect for doing this job. Designation holder requires having good project management skills and good leadership skills. Candidates have to work along with other members as a part of the team. There are many important service delivery manager interview questions that the candidates need to prepare before going for the interview. This is because the service delivery manager interview questions are essential to get a job. The candidates aspiring for the job are required to answer the service delivery manager interview questions properly. Organizations are currently in search of experts and professionals who set service delivery manager interview questions and answers. In this article, we have a meticulous list of frequently asked service delivery manager interview questions and answers for freshers or experienced professionals. Despite whether you are showing up for the interview, the service delivery manager interview questions and answers could be interesting and insightful. Lists of top service delivery manager interview questions and answers for 2025. The top service delivery manager interview questions and answers bring readiness to prepare even better. Moreover, the questions by interviewers are to gauge the candidates' minds and skills beneficial for the organization. Tackling the service delivery manager interview can be harder, especially with zero knowledge of the subject. The common service delivery manager interview questions and answers aid you in responding to questions and planning in the smartest way. We have inclusively curated the top IT service delivery manager interview questions with answers in the following segments. Basic service delivery manager interview questions and answers. Find below the basic service delivery manager interview questions and answers. 1. Why do you want to work as a delivery manager? In this question, the candidates must speak about their motives, ambition, and how helpful they can be to the company. It is recommended that the candidates not talk about their past and say what degrees they have achieved in business management or administration. Instead, they have to indicate how fruitful they would be for the company, and they also have to show their desire for the job. Candidates can also talk about expertise in the following field. For instance, they can say that they have good organizational skills and good time management skills. They can also add that they trust themselves with their technical skills and can achieve something if they get the following designation. The candidates can also express what the thing in the field they would love to do is and how they would enjoy doing their work. 2. Why do you prefer working as a manager in this company and not in any other? The candidates can uniquely answer this question by saying what they love about the company. They can also praise the company by saying that bigger organizations would bring bigger reputation. By this, they can let the interviewers know about the company's reputation and the desire of the candidates to work for the company. They can also say that the following organization would provide them with numerous endless career opportunities. They can praise the organization by saying that they want to be a part of something big. They can tell the interviewers about their perspectives on what advantages the company would provide them. If the candidates join a small company, they can express that they love to have a greater and wider scope of responsibilities and how they can contribute to the organization's betterment. They can even praise the organization by saying what products, services, or software of the company they like and the potential of the industries following. They can give this reason to join the company. The candidate has to show that he/she wasn't chosen by the company accidentally and that he/she would not leave the company if he or she got better opportunities. 3. What is a typical day at work according to you? The answer to this question can be a bit tricky, and the answer depends on the type of company. In this question, they can also highlight the role of a delivery manager. In technical organizations, everything the candidates can do is allocate the staff and resources to numerous projects and work in real time as per the client's demand. Candidates can claim they can connect clients and managers on one end with programmers, developers, testers, etc. On the other end in this kind of scenario, to ensure that the candidate's objectives are met, they must ensure that the day's remaining time is used wisely. Responding to the delivery of goods from the manufacturer to the final customer is the responsibility of the delivery manager in an automotive or logistic organization. They must ensure that they would complete their work efficiently in light of this. It's also imperative for the candidates to demonstrate that they will be expected to work continuously throughout the day. 4. The expectations of clients, managers, and employees vary from each other. How would you make sure that you meet the needs of everyone? The best answer to this question is communication. The candidates can reply by saying that communication is everything you need to build a connection. By this, the candidates will be able to meet the needs of the company. The candidates can answer this question by saying that they would communicate with everyone properly and they would try to meet the needs and demands of everyone. They can also say what their skills are and who they would like to work with, along with the value and reputation they would bring to the company and what their requirements are. The candidates can also say that they can solve the communication problem by personally meeting them once they start working for the company. They can also have a meeting regularly to ensure that the candidates easily understand what the clients, managers, and employees expect from the company. By this, the candidates will also make sure that they get an overview of their own expectations from clients, managers, and employees. The candidates can play on the safe side by saying that the rise of conflicts might be natural. This is because it is difficult to manage the expectations of everyone simultaneously. They can also add by saying that they would always be ready to handle the issues. 5. If you face some issues while conveying some message to your boss or your stakeholder, how would you manage to convey it? In this question, the candidates have to look forward to reducing the communication gap. This is because there will be a difference in the manager's language and the language of a programmer due to the difference in their work. The work of the manager is to achieve goals that are related to business and finance. In contrast, the programmer's work is to understand how they should operate the applications to achieve the manager's goals. This is where the difference lies. The candidates must have the caliber to explain technical things without technical expertise and the caliber to translate the business language of the managers to the language of developers in such a way that would clear their concept. In this question, the candidates can describe how they used presentations, demonstrations, charts, and pictures to convey the meaning and message. The candidates have to show that they understand the following problem and step out of their comfort zone. By saying this, the candidates can ensure that they will do their job effectively. 6. Introduce yourself and what made you think that you can be a good service delivery manager? In this question, the candidates can talk about their skills and what benefits they can bring to the organization. The candidates can say that they are completely focused on their job and can prove themselves as responsible service delivery manager. The company can rely even on tough situations to achieve good results. They can say that they would do their best to meet the organization's needs and the objectives of the operational service.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, So stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.